What's up guys, welcome back to Cooking with Lev YouTube channel. I'm gonna be making black bean soup today. So let me quickly go over the ingredients with you guys and then we start cooking. Okay, so we're gonna be using olive oil, chicken broth, can of black bean which is about 6 pounds, cumin, black pepper, salt, thyme, oregano, and Worcestershire sauce, onions and carrots, and of course cilantro. So let's go ahead and start preparing. Alright, so we need about 3 medium-sized onions. Go ahead and start cutting this. I'm going to be using my cast iron pot today. So let's start off with olive oil and we're going to use medium heat. Okay, so the onions, carrots are ready. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the black beans now and the rest of the ingredients. So that's exactly 4 cups chicken broth. We're gonna add the Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 3/4 cumin, black pepper, oregano, thyme, jalapenos, and just a handful of cilantro. And we're gonna squeeze 1 lime juice. Okay, we're gonna simmer this for 15 minutes on a low heat. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Now it's ready. We're gonna go ahead and take this off. The best part of this soup now is that we're gonna blend this. Okay, so it's blended. We're gonna go ahead and put this back on a low heat, simmer for 5 more minutes more, and it's ready. Okay guys, so our black bean soup is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and add the sour cream on 3 of them, and the other 3 I'm gonna make with cheddar cheese. Wow, very tasty, very beautiful texture. It is just amazing, very creamy. I want to say thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys liked it, please subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, turn on your notifications, and don't miss out on the upcoming videos. Give it a try. This black bean soup tastes very good. Thank you guys for watching again. Cheers.